Given the functions w equals x times e to the y over z, x equals t to the fifth, y equals 7 minus t, z equals t plus 3t, we want to find the total derivative dw over dt using the chain rule. So let's draw the tree diagram. We have w on the top, depending on x, y, and z, and then those all depending on t. So if we want to find dw over dt, we're going to take three different paths to get there. So the first pass is going through x, so it's going to be partial w with respect to x times dx dt plus partial w with respect to y times dy dt plus partial w with respect to z times dz over dt. And now we just need to calculate the partial derivatives. So starting off with the partial of w with respect to x, e to the y over z is a constant. So the derivative of x times a constant is just a constant, which is e to the y over z. And then we do partial w with respect to y. Well, x is a constant, so we're still going to have that. And then we have e to the y over z times the derivative of y over z. Y over z, think of z as a constant, so that's just going to be 1 over z in front. So we have x over z times e to the y over z. And then partial w with respect to z, x is a constant, so we'll just leave that there. And then we take the derivative of y over z. We'll pull out the y because it's a constant, so we're just taking the derivative of 1 over z, which is negative 1 over z squared, and then multiply it by y. So we end up with negative xy over z squared times e to the y over z. Okay, so that takes care of these three. So now we need to take care of the dx over dt, dy over dt, and dz over dt. So the derivative of t to the fifth is just 5t to the fourth. The derivative of 7 minus t is negative 1. Derivative of 2 plus 3t is 3. So now we calculated all the derivatives, so we just plug it into the formula here. So you have e to the y over z times 5t to the fourth plus x over z times e to the y over z times negative 1 plus negative xy over z squared times e to the y over z times 3. And notice that all three have e to the yz as a factor, so we can pull that outside. And we're left with 5t to the fourth minus x over z minus 3xy over z squared. And then we can replace what x, y, and z are. And so we get this as our final answer.